I chose Calhoun is because it's a 2-year course and it gives you a really in-depth knowledge about welding, and you can go right into the workforce afterwards.
What makes our welding program different is really the attention to the technical side of welding.
We want to get rid of those ridges.
Our attention to the details, the science, and the art of welding, and those technical aspects is something that we think are going to make better welders and a better workforce for the future.
Right now, the welding market is really hot. A lot of our students are finding employment while they're students, so they're partnering with the business that they're going into and still being able to do their school in the evenings.
We have a lot of dual enrollment programs and schools and trade schools that send students to us from all across North Alabama. So if you graduate from Calhoun's welding program, it's very easy in this area to start out at about $40,000 a year and then work your way up into 50, 60, 70, depending on what area of welding you go into.
There aren't a lot of women welders, so we need more. I plan on going to the workforce, and I plan to weld and teach ballet at the same time. Ballet was one of the things that I was really good at, and it was one of the ways I could express myself, because I have dyslexia and ADHD, so this is something that I can do a lot easier. And I really like working with my hands, so welding was a really cool thing for me to do, and I didn't want to sit in an office all day.
Slow down just a little bit. We're going to give you that foundation that when you do go for those job interviews, that you can achieve their weld tests.
Come in and visit for a day and try it out and see if you love it. And if you love it, this is a great place to go with your career.